Hi everyone, welcome to the Looney and Balloonie Learning Center. As always, I'm Tess, and today we're working on some ballooning fundamentals. We're going to look at the tulip twist. I'm using Sempertex brand 260s. I love their nozzle up packs. It makes it so easy. They have a perforated little top so you can pull them one by one. All right, so this is typically used for stems and flowers. It can be used for a few other things, but mostly for the stems and flowers. Okay, we're gonna inflate our balloon. This is their forest green color. I happen to love this color. Okay, inflate your 260 for as long as you want it. You're gonna tie off the top. Okay, this neck is very important, so make sure you leave yourself about a ½ inch or so. Okay, you're going to simply take that neck and push it in to the inside of that balloon. You're going to lose your finger up to midway between your first and second knuckle, or as deep as you want it. You can go deeper, but it makes it harder to get your finger back out. Remember that. So if your finger is in there, you can see how deep mine is in. You're going to, with your other hand, come through and pinch and make sure you're getting that bulk of the neck of your balloon on this side, okay? You want it on the long balloon side. So you're going to take and squeeze, pull your finger out, okay? It shouldn't be too hard. That's about the hardest it's ever been for me. So the bulk of the neck of the balloon is on this side. You just have the little bit of 260 going this way, and you are going to twist, okay? A little trick for the professionals, you can see I lost that, is you want to, once you have it, spin and then roll it back onto it just a little bit, and it holds it every time. So if you're losing it, try the roll back technique to get it to stay. What it does is it encompasses it into the balloon. All right, so there is your tulip twist. I hope you enjoy this video and it helps you on your journey of ballooning yourself. Bye for now.